would like to welcome you to Promarksvac Corp, Ontario, California, the headquarters for Promarks. We're right here, centrally located in Southern California, right next to the Ontario airport. And we'd like to welcome you to come on in and take a look inside. Promarks is ready to provide the best local sales and service available. We have a highly trained staff of sales and technical support here, and we're ready to help you with anything you need. We have a very extensive inventory of parts for all the different machines that we manufacture, from chamber machines to processing machines, packaging. All our parts are all right here. First machine we're going to show you right here is our rollstock. These come in from the factory, brought into our warehouse here. There are QC'd, inventoried right here, as you can see through. And they're brought for service, for upgrades, for conversions, and also all our production machines come from the factory where we do all our testing, make sure machines are ready to go when they leave and headed for you. Do our NSF and UL certifications here, and this is our shop and service area. As you can see, we carry an extensive inventory of vacuum bags ranging from very small sizes to very large, in 3 mil, 4 mil, and 5 mil bags. Carry thousands and thousands of bags. You can see the inventory we have in one hand. Thank you for coming along on our little mini tour of Promarksvac Corp, Ontario, California. And if you have any questions about sales or service or parts, please make sure you look at the information we have here provided for you, the phone number, email address, give us a call. Thank you very much.